Dark matter. This mysterious and perplexing substance is one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in the universe. Dark matter is a type of matter that we cannot observe. It does not interact with light. In other words, we cannot directly observe it through telescopes or other means. However, we can infer the existence of dark matter, by observing the trajectories of other celestial bodies. The presence of dark matter can explain many puzzles, such as the interactions between galaxies and galaxy clusters in the universe, and the rate of the universe's expansion. Through precise measurements and calculations, scientists have discovered that about 27% of the matter in the universe is dark matter, while the remaining 5% is the ordinary matter we are familiar with. The remaining 68% is dark energy. Research on dark matter is still ongoing, with scientists using large detectors and particle accelerators to try to detect dark matter particles. They believe that dark matter may be composed of one or more new fundamental particles. These fundamental particles have physical properties different from known particles. At the same time, the study of dark matter also allows us to gain a deeper understanding of the mysteries of the universe. It challenges our physical theories, prompting us to continuously explore and discover new knowledge. Scientists hope that through ongoing efforts and exploration, they can unveil the mystery of dark matter and reveal its true nature. In summary, dark matter is a field full of challenges and opportunities. It reminds us that there are many things in the universe that we do not yet understand, and the existence and nature of these things will impact our knowledge and understanding of the universe. Have a big impact.